How to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem a Roblox gift card. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Roblox. After you open up your Roblox, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you logged in into your account, head over to this URL section and under roblox.com slash just remove whatever is there and type in redeem. After you type in redeem, hit enter and it should take you to this page right here. After you're on this page, all you have to now do is enter your gift card or your promo code down below and tap on redeem. And it's basically that simple. Now, by redeeming, as it says right here, that you will need to be, above 18 or with your parents or legal guardians representation. So, yeah, make sure that that is done and just type in the code, tap on redeem, and you'll have redeemed your gift card. And it's that simple. That's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.